Crafting magic from simple tools.
Every craft begins with a clean cut. This simple angle sets the stage. Angled cuts mean more control. Don't miss this clever technique. Make perfect slanted cuts with ease. All you need is focus, not fancy tools. Clean and fast, this sharp cutting hack gets the job done. Some cuts need just the right angle. This smart trick makes it easy and clean. Creativity means smart results with simple tools. Try this out. Some cuts need the perfect angle. This trick makes it simple. The final cut, where all the tricks come together to complete the craft.
We're always happy to have you here.